Here at Red Clean, we try our very best to offer our clients a professional and affordable service. When we carry out site surveys, sometimes we can do this using our drone. This makes it so much easier for us to see the gutters from above, so we can see what obstacles we're up against. Using the drone can help us identify any problem areas that you wouldn't normally see from the ground. It's great to see exactly what we need to do. We offer this service completely free as part of the quote, so if you need your building looking at and you're not quite sure what is up on the roof, please feel free to give us a shout. On this particular building that you're seeing us work on now, they called us just to do a complete gutter clearance on the whole building. After carrying out a drone survey, we were then able to explain to the customers that a particular part of that roof didn't actually need cleaning. It obviously not great for us as a company because we couldn't charge for the full clean, but had we have not flown the drone up there to look, then we would have put a price in for the full clean of the building, they would have paid for the full clean of the building, and it wouldn't have all needed to be done. So we've saved the customers money, and yeah, obviously we saw that we didn't need to access all of the building.
Shot in a bush. Yeah.